I'm gonna show you how to make a heatsink. So what I did, um, I took a Coke can like this. Not a Coke can. It's you know, the one for tea, iced tea. So I cut it and I folded it like this. Okay. So these foldings will allow to increase the surface area. And then what you will do, you will take another one like iced tea can, and or it could be Coke can, any aluminum can, and then you do the same thing. You cut it. You will cut it, and then you will make a flat sheet. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this, make a flat sheet, and then the flat sheet you could put here on top, glue it on the corrugated or folded, this folded part here. You put it on top to make a flat surface, and this way you could attach anything to it, like a Peltier plate or any component. So if you need to have some flat surface on top, so I will glue it, and I will make maybe a part 2 to update you how it works, and I will probably make a little tiny fridge to just demonstrate that it works. Okay, so let's see if we cut this part. Just take a regular scissor and cut it. I'm doing this in the kitchen, as you guys see. Yeah, so very hard to do. Right. You have to be careful not to cut yourself when you do this. Okay, so I don't want to make it long, but I will make an update video, part 2. I will cut this on my own and show you how I glue it. I will make a part 2, okay?